everyone, I'm going to be doing an open house at this fabulous property on Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. But before I do, I wanted to give you a sneak peek. This is an amazing home sitting on an acre in gorgeous Oceanside, California. The views are spectacular. So come with me as I give you a sneak peek and a first look. Come along. These are the amazing views coming out the front side of your home. But you haven't seen anything until you've seen the inside, so come along. Where to begin? Everything is new in this home. It has been remodeled both inside and out. Beautiful views on an acre lot. You have 2 fireplaces. Huge fireplace right here in your main living area. Another fireplace over there. We'll go outside in just a second. Built-ins in your dining area, kitchen, beautiful island, breakfast nook over here, laundry and half bath, I'll walk you through the house before we go outside. The views are just breathtaking. Three-bedroom, 2.5 bath, almost 2,400 square feet of living space on an acre lot. Secondary bedroom right here. Another huge secondary bedroom over here. Remodeled guest bath. Main bedroom right here with the master bath. His and her closets. Giant shower. His and her sinks. There's just a toilet room on the side. Beautiful view from your bedroom window. Now let's go outside. Ample storage throughout. And look at these amazing views. Lush grass, an area on the side of the house that is tiered. See if you can maybe see it from here, or you can do gardening. Views of the mountains, views of the hills. I'm going to be here on Sunday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Come and see me and take a look and make an offer before this gem is gone. I'll see y'all on Sunday.